protein powder is incredibly convenient and offers great muscle-building benefits. But with countless options available, how do we choose the right one? Before you buy, it's important to know the different types and what to look for in a brand. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which protein powder is right for you and how to choose the best option. Let's dive into the fan favorite, whey protein. If you're serious about building muscle or speeding up recovery after intense workouts, whey is often considered the gold standard. It's packed with leucine, a powerful amino acid that plays a key role in muscle growth. But not all whey proteins are created equal, and each type has its pros and cons. Whey protein. Concentrate is the most common and budget-friendly option. It's a solid pick if you're looking for something effective without breaking the bank. However, it does contain more lactose, fats, and carbs, which might not be ideal if you're lactose intolerant or keeping a close eye on your calorie intake. If you're looking for something purer, whey isolate is your go-to. It goes through additional processing to remove most of the lactose and fats, leaving you with a higher percentage of protein per scoop. Then there's whey hydrolysate, which is pre-digested for faster absorption. It's the priciest option, but unless you have specific digestive needs or need the quickest absorption possible, the extra cost might not be worth it.